Hello cuties, welcome back to today's online yoga class. Hope all are ready with your notebook, workbook, student reader, pencil, eraser, etc. Yes, if you are ready, let us move on to our today's class. Before that, I want you to clap your hands. We just start clap our hands for 3 seconds. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay children, shall we move to our today's part? Yes. Today in our phonics part, we are going to do one activity in worksheet. In our last class, we learnt new end digraphs. What are the end digraphs we learnt in our last class? Ch and then k. Repeat again. Say the sound along with me. Ch and also k. Now we are going to do an activity in our worksheet. I just want all of you to open worksheet 18 in unit 8. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes children, have you all opened your worksheet 18 on the page number 99? Yes. Look at the second question. Fill in the blank with the correct digraph from the options. Here some pictures are given. You have to complete this blank with the correct end digraph from these two options given. First you have to see the picture, say the word and then choose the correct digraph from these two options and then fill in these blanks given. I am going to show one model. Look at the first picture. Can you see the picture? What picture is this? What picture is this, ma? Yes, lock. Say the word along with me. Lock. Lock. For this, which end digraph is the correct for this word lock? Yes, this word is ends with the end digraph k. So that this is the correct end digraph for this word lock. Like this, I completed this first subpart question. Like this, you have to do the rest of the questions as your own in your workbook, ma'am. Yes, I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us move to our next part. Now I want all of you to open SR 26 and the page number 111 in unit 8. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at this. Here one small passage is given. We just start reading this passage as your own. Yes, look at the passage. Look at the words given in this passage. When it is a whole word means you just see the word and say the word as it is. Whether it is a phonic word means you just use a blending technique to read the phonic word. I am going to read this first sentence. Just follow me. Look at the first word. I think this is a whole word. So that we can read this word as it is. We. We. Look at the next word. This is a phonic word. So that we use the blending technique. What is the blending technique? Just identify the beginning sound, middle sound and then end sound. End blend sound. Finally, join all the sounds together and then read the word. The beginning sound P, middle sound A, and then finally end digraph of this word is K. P, A, K. P, A, K. Pack. Pack. Look at the next word. A. A is a whole word. A. Good. This is also a whole word. So that I read this word simply by seeing this. Good. Look at the next word. This is also a phonic word. What is the beginning sound of this word? S. Middle sound na. Na. And then end digraph of this word k. S. Na. K. S. Na. K. Snack. Snack. We pack a good snack. Right? Yes. Have you all clear in this? Yes, let's start this short passage as your own independently. I give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, if you didn't complete means you have to pause the video and then complete reading this short passage as your own. Let us move on to our whole words part. In our whole words part, in our last classes we learnt some new words in this unit, right? Today in our whole words class we going to learn how to write the spelling of the new whole words. I just want all of you to be ready with your notebook and then pencil eraser. I give you 3 seconds to be ready with your notebook and then pencil eraser, ma. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay children, I hope all are ready with your notebook and then pencil eraser. Now I will show the cards of the words one by one. We just say the word and then next say the spelling of the word. Just first read the word and then say the spelling of the word by looking at this flashcard. And then finally you have to write this spelling of this word in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds. Yes. Now look at the first word. What word is this? Life. Very good. Life. Repeat again. Life. Now we start saying the spelling of this word. L-I-F-E. Life. L-I-F-E. Life. Okay children. Now you take your pencil and then write this word, spelling of this word in your notebook. Say and write the spelling. Your handwriting must be neat and legible. Start writing this word life. Say and write the spelling, ma. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all complete writing this word? Yes, let us move on to the next one. See the next word. Top. Top. T-O-P. Top. Repeat again. T-O-P. Top. Write the spelling in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Shall we move to the next one? Look at the next word, ma. Add. Repeat again. Add. A-D-D. Add. Say again, ma. A-D-D. Add. Now start writing this word. I give you 3 seconds. Just say and write the spelling of this word. Add. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you complete writing this? Let us move to the next one. Look at the next word, ma. Scene. Scene. S-E-E-N, seen. S-E-E-N, seen. Say and write the spelling. Seen in your notebook. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. See the next word. Took. Took. T-O-O-K. Took. T-O-O-K. Took. Just copy the spelling of this word took in your notebook. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us move to the next word. Such. Such. S-U-C-H. Such. S-U-C-H. Such. Start writing the word. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you complete writing? Let us move to the next word. See the next word. Rich. Rich. R-I-C-H. Rich. R-I-C-H. Rich. I give you 3 seconds. Just write this word rich in your notebook. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all finished writing? If you didn't complete means you have to pause the video and then complete this, writing the spelling of the whole words in your notebook. You just read, practice all the spelling of the words again. Let us move on to the next part, RLC comprehension. In our RLC part, we are going to do one activity in worksheet. I just want all of you to open worksheet 19 and the page number 100 in unit 8. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all ready with your worksheet 19? Yes, you have to answer all the questions for the story India Gate and Gateway of India as your own. You can refer the story while writing the answers. You can refer the story in your SR book, SR 26. You can refer the story and then try to complete these questions as your own. In the end of today's session, I will show the answers for this. Let us move on to our next part, grammar. In our grammar part, we are going to recap the types of nouns where we have learnt in our last classes. Look at the first one, singular nouns. What are singular nouns? Singular nouns are name of one person, place or thing. Singular nouns are name of one person, place or thing. Repeat again. Singular noun are the name of one person, place or thing. Next, plural nouns. What are plural nouns? Name of more than one person, place or thing. Name of more than one person, place or thing is the plural noun. Next, collective noun. What are collective nouns? Collective nouns are special words for groups of people, animals, places and things. Special words for groups of people, animals, places and things. Next, gender nouns. Gender nouns that are male or female. Gender nouns means the nouns that are either male or female. Are you clear from this types of nouns? Yes, let us do one activity in our worksheet. So be ready with your worksheet 20 and the page number 101 in unit 8. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all opened your worksheet 20? Look at the first question. Circle the gender nouns and write if it is male or female. Here, some nouns are given in this question. You just read the word one by one and then find out the gender noun. If it is gender noun means you just write its male, if it is a male or female. For this you have to read these words one by one. I am going to show you one model. Look at the first support question. What is this? Sister. Yes, sister. If it is a male gender or female gender, can you identify? Sister is a male gender or female gender? Yes, female gender, because sister belongs to girl, right? So that sister is a female. Right. Look at the next one. Pen. If it is pen is a gender, if it is a male or female, no, nothing. Pen is not a gender noun. So that next word. What word is this? Uncle. Uncle. If uncle is a male or female? Yes, male, because uncle belongs to boy, right? So that uncle is a male gender. Like this you have to complete this rest of the questions, ma. Look at the second question. Fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns. Here some collective nouns are given in these boxes. Below this box some sentences are given. You just read the sentence and then have to find the correct collective noun from the boxes given and then complete the blanks with the correct collective nouns. I will show you one model. Look at the first subpart question. Many soldiers make an. Many soldiers are to be to make an team, crowd, flock, family, army. Which one is correct? Yes, army. Soldiers are, many soldiers are to be to make an army. Right. Look at just like this. Do the rest of the questions as your own in your workbook. Okay, cuties. Let us move on to our next part, writing and speaking expression. In our writing and speaking expression part in our last class, we wrote some, yes, we draw some poster and also write some messages about your posters in your notebook, right? Yes, now today you're going to do a activity. You just take a A4 sheet, maybe colored A4 sheet or white A4 sheet, and then you have to draw your final posters with the messages written on this A4 sheet. This is called publishing. Publishing means in a plain or fresh A4 sheet you have to draw your final poster. You already draw in your notebook, and today you will draw this poster again in a fresh A4 sheet paper with the messages written on this. This is called publishing. While you writing, you just pay attention to your handwriting. You just need it in a neat and legible handwriting. The handwriting must be very clear. The formation of the letters should be good. Don't scribble on your papers or the notebook. Okay, children? Yes, if you are complete your publishing, complete your posters in A4 sheet means you just discuss your sentences with your family members. Yes, what you are write in your posters, messages, you just speak about your messages with your family members in your home itself. Okay, children, let us going to complete our today's session. Today's homework is you just complete all the worksheet activity. You have to complete worksheet 20, third question also in your workbook. Now I will show the answers for our today's worksheet activities. Okay, children, let us show the answer for our today's worksheet activity. Look at this. This is the answer for worksheet 18, second question. Watch is the correct end digraph for this word. Clock is the correct end digraph for this word clock. Stitch is the correct end digraph for this word stitch. You just make a self correction of these answers in your workbook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us turn next page, worksheet 19. Look at this. What is the story about? The story is about two monuments that people often get confused with. Next, the two monuments discussed in the story are the India Gate and the Gateway of India. I give you 3 seconds. Just copy the answers. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the answer for the C and D subpart questions. Confuse. Confuse means not sure. Yes, I like visiting monuments because I learn a lot about my country from them. I give you 3 seconds. Just copy the answers. 3, 2, 1, 0. Turn next page, worksheet 20. Look at this. First question. Sister is a gender noun. It is a female gender. Uncle is a gender noun. Uncle is a male gender. Mug is not a gender noun. Tiger is also a gender noun. It is a male. Girl is also a gender noun. Girl is female. Watch is not a gender noun. Lioness. Lioness is the gender noun. Lioness is female gender. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us see the answer for the second question. Many soldiers make an army. A flock of birds were flying away from their nest. The crowd was cheering the singer on stage. A family stays together at home. A team of players won the World Cup. I give you 3 seconds to copy these answers. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the third question. Change the following singular words to plural. Glass, glasses. When the word is ended with S means you just add the ES for the plural noun, glasses. When the word is ended with Y, we just add IES instead of Y. Babies. Ball. Just add S to this consonant. Balls. Goat. Goats. Dog. Dogs. Tax. Taxes. just add es. When the word is ended with x, we just add es to the word. Taxes, butterfly. Look at this, the word is ended with y, so that we add ies for the plural. Fish, the word is ended with sh sound, so thus we add es, fishes. Okay children, now we are going to complete our today's part. We just go through all this worksheet activity and then complete your worksheet activity, send in your WhatsApp group. You just read, practice the end digraph words in your SR book, whole words. Write, practice the whole words 2 times in your notebook. Okay children, now we are going to complete our today's session. See you in our next class. All of you take care. Thank you. Bye cuties.